Welcome to Education for Life. This is Sriranjani Swaminathan. We are going to see the reduced syllabus for the CBSE board. Due to this pandemic, there had been an announcement of reduced syllabus that is term by semester pattern. So 9th, 10th kana and the syllabus ta paaka porom. So now we'll move on to the content. So mathematics 9th and 10th term by syllabus is what we are going to discuss. So first 9th standard ஓடது பார்த்துடலாம். So 9th standard ஓடது என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படி பார்த்தோம்னா this is the course structure. So first term one paper 90 minutes and then units வந்து number systems, algebra, coordinate geometry, mensuration, statistics and probability. So இதுதான் வந்து கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and the particular marks awarded for the units have been given. So internal assessment is for 10 marks and the total வந்து 50 marks. ஸோ இப்போ இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம்கான 6 யூனிட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அந்த 6 யூனிட்ஸ்குள்ள என்னென்ன கண்டென்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்றதையும் they have provided. ஸோ அந்த ரேஷனலைசேஷன் அண்ட் தென் எக்ஸ்போனன்ஸ், லா ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்போனன்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அண்ட் தென் மூவிங் ஆன் டு த யூனிட் 2, that is algebra. So there it is given linear equation in 2 variables. அது மட்டும் இருக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க சிலபஸ்ல. And then unit coordinate geometry, we have Cartesian plane, coordinates of a point, names and terms associated with the coordinate plane, notation plotting points in the plane. So 3 units we have completed, and here in geometry we have lines and angles, and the topics under geometry have also been given. The next one is unit 5, triangles. Then mensuration, we have Heron's formula. And for statistics and probability, we have that collection of data, the introduction to statistics, that is what given. So after this, overall marks allotment is given. For internal assessment, they are taking into account the periodic tests, multiple assessments, portfolio, and student enrichment activities, which is nothing but the practical work. So over 3, 2, 2 and 3 marks, totally 10 marks. This is how the internal assessment is being graded for them. So the first term is done with those 6 units. And then second term, we have 4 units, algebra, geometry, mensuration, statistics and probability, which is a continuation of that first part. So here again, internal assessment is for 10 marks and algebra is for 12 marks. Geometry, we have 15 marks, mensuration 9, and statistics and probability, we have 4. So totally it accounts for 40 marks, 40 plus 10. Again, the second term accounts for 50 marks in total. So here in unit algebra, we have polynomials. Then geometry, we have quadrilaterals, circles, and then construction, that is practical geometry. For mensuration, we have surface areas and volumes. Then statistics, probability we have. So again, the pattern for the internal assessment is given. So that's it for the class 9 as a 2 semester pattern. So this is how the syllabus have been given for the 2 semester pattern. Now moving on to the class 10 course structure. This is only for the 2021 to 2022 academic year. So again, the first term, the marks allotment and everything remains the same. Okay. So here we will have one paper 90 minutes, and here for the first term we have 7 units. So number systems, algebra, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, and statistics and probability. So for each unit, certain marks have been allotted. Here algebra takes the highest weightage of 10 marks, and then internal assessment for 10 marks. So as a total 40 plus 10, you have 50 for the term 1. Again, the same internal assessment allotments is given for that particular term. So here real numbers under the number system, then polynomials, pair of linear equations in 2 variables are the chapters under the algebra. Then coordinate geometry, triangles are given. Trigonometry identities we have, then mensuration area related to circles, statistics and probability. So that's all done with the first term. When we come to the second term, we have 5 units here. The continuation of the first part, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics, and probability. So again, here algebra holds the highest weightage, and next to algebra we have geometry, and then statistics and probability, trigonometry, and then mensuration at the last. So again, here internal assessment for 10 marks and the rest for 40 marks. So 40 plus 10, we have 50 in total for the second term. So 50 and 50 makes 100 for the final calculation. So here the subdivisions, that is sub portions for the unit are given. For unit algebra, we have quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions. For unit geometry, we have circles, constructions, that is practical geometry. And then for trigonometry, we have some applications of trigonometry. For mensuration, surface areas and volumes. Statistics and probability, we have mean, median, mode of grouped data, that is bimodal situation is to be avoided. They have given. We have only the direct method and assumed mean method. So these are the prescribed syllabus for the academic year 2021 to 2022 as per the two-term syllabus. So hope this video would be useful, and they have also given some prescribed books. So make use of it, and all the very best. Once again, thank you. Please do share, watch, and subscribe Education for Life. Thank you.